Education is not just about books and classrooms. Behind every lesson plan and every student's success are people who work together to shape what we learn and how we learn. Today, our school continued to adapt through the new Matatag curriculum, a restructured and improved version of K-12 program that aims to make learning more focused, relevant, and responsive to the needs of Filipino learners. In this documentary, we will explore the important roles of stakeholders in curriculum development and implementation. The learners, teachers, school leaders, parents, community, and other institutions that help build our nation's education system. Curriculum development refers to the process of planning, designing, implementing, and evaluating what students should learn in school. The Matatag curriculum, launched by Department of Education, focuses on reducing learning overload, strengthening foundation skills, and aligning subjects with real-life application. But success of the curriculum does not depend on one person alone. It requires collaboration from all stakeholders in education.